Hey, it's been almost 2 months since I gave you an update on the garden, and it's way past time to do that. I don't have time for a comprehensive update, but let's take a look at something that's going well, like my Lunchbox peppers. Okay, I'm out here in my garden today, and I'm going to harvest a few of my Lunchbox peppers. Got a lot of them that came on nice and red. You can see some back in here. And there are some others too. Just going to take my old handy snippers and get these that have turned red. They're real pretty. These are kind of like sweet peppers, like sweet bell peppers, except they're small. So, there's those. This one's still got a little bit to go to turn red. And I've got a few more over here on this side. Those are pretty nice. And one more down at the bottom. Now this is a plant I grew from seed from Lunchbox peppers we bought at the grocery store at least a couple years ago. I've got one more ready to pick today. It's a great big one down here on the bottom. These are going to be great in a salad for us. So here's my harvest for today. Those are going to be awesome. Okay, so there's a quick update for you on the Lunchbox peppers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I haven't done a full update on the garden in probably a couple of months, and I would be more motivated to do one of those if people would like this video, or maybe comment below that you want to see an update on the whole garden. I've got some footage archived, I just don't have it put together. I need to shoot a little bit more, but I've been slacking a little bit, and some interest from YouTube viewers would motivate me to make that video.